Good morning to everybody. I'm Paras from Standard 10. I'm here to convey a beautiful message that is a beautiful poem that is composed by Robert Frost, Dust of Snow. This poem gives us a beautiful message that every negative thing that we consider in our life is negative is not always negative. It's just our stereotype. Like crow. Whenever we see crow, we think it is as a bad sign. But in poet life, it was not a bad thing. It gives him a new thing in his day that made his day very beautiful. That he the poet ruined his day all long. But on that day, when the crow swooped down on him, the on sir once more, sir once more. Next one. All those negative things that we consider in our life are not always negative. It's just our thought. We are always taught that they are negative, but not. Everything has their own positive side. Like a crow give another way to author to think, look out the thing. Also, as an example of hemlock tree, the hemlock tree is considered as a poisonous tree. It is a very poisonous tree, but the way the crow gets help by hemlock tree by soaking down the ice on the author. It gives author a new way and a new perspective. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Babu Singh. I am from class 10. I want to say something about the poet The Dust of Snow. In this poem, the poet beautifully explained about the two negative things that change the poet to be a positive way. In this poem, the two negative things are the hemlock tree, which is poisonous tree, and the crow, which is black color and shrill voice. When the poet walks behind the tree, the way a crow shook the tree and resulting in the snow which is fall on the poet, and this leads to the change in the mood of a poet in a positive way. And before that time, the poet is in a pensive mood, and the day before that time is totally lost. And he thankfully to the two negative things, that is crow and hemlock tree, which saved the remaining part of the day. Thank you.
Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. This is Aryan from class 10th. I am here to explain the central idea of fire and ice, which is written by Robert Frost. In this poem, Robert Frost has explained two things, fire and ice. Fire is indicated for desire, and ice is indicated for the hate behavior of human beings. Robert Frost has told these two things can play important role in the destructions of this earth, because the reason is that each and everyone is running here and there for their own comfort and own desire and their basic needs. Yes.
This is Devansh of Standard 9. I am here to centralize my idea on the poem Wind. The poem Wind is written by Subramanyam Bharati, who is a Tamil writer, and this is a dubbed poem in English. In this poem, the poet indicates our problems and the obstacles that we face in our life in the form of wind.
Good morning friends, I am Nitesh Kumar from Standard 9. Sir call. सर कॉल बता देंगे. सर कॉल बता देंगे. सर कॉल बता देंगे.
Good morning everyone. I am Anand Kumar from. Good morning everyone. My name is Anand Kumar Singh from class 9. I am saved the poem of Wings from this chapter 8 of the English book. The poet of this poem tried to said in this poem we can interface in our daily life. He said to be all
क्या बोलते हैं? Hello guys, I am Nitish Kumar Yadav. Class 9th, I am say about value of education. Education is the such ability that enable us to each of everything without सर नहीं बोल पाएंगे, याद नहीं है, थोड़ा सा बोल।
Good morning to all of you. My name is Laksh Tiwari for standard 9th. Today is talking about wind. Wind is written by Subramanyam Bharati. Subramanyam Bharati is son of 1982 to 1921. He is the great poet of Tamil. In the famous poet in the Tamil, in the friends of A.K. Rama Arjuna. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning all of you, this is Raju Bhardwaj and today I am here to deliver the central idea of the poem Fire and Ice. You all know that this poem is composed by Robert Frost. The author used fire to indicate the desire of the human and he used ice to indicate the bad behavior of the human nature. According to author, both these things play an important role of the destruction of the world.
Good morning to all of you. This is Adarsh from standard 10th. Today I am here to explain the central idea of the poem Dust of Snow. As we all know that this poem is composed by Robert Frost. Good morning to all of you. This is Adarsh from standard 10th. Today I am here to explain the central idea of the poem Dust of Snow. Through this poem, the author has tried his best to explain that all negative things not always give negative result. To prove this, he has given the example of a hemlock tree which is poisonous in nature and a crow which color is black and his voice is shrill. He want to explain that all negative things not always give negative. This has changed the mood of the author whose mood is in pensive.
Good morning, my friends and teachers. I am Raja, belong to standard 9th A. Today I am talking about the poem of Winds. The poem of Winds is written by Subramanyam Bharati. In this poem, the Subramanyam Bharati is talk about our daily life and how to make mentally strong and lose your mind. Then I explain in your daily life, if you mentally strong, then nobody will be break you, and if you mentally not strong, then winds is break house and escalator, and every weak person is breaking. Then if you not mentally strong, then your life is not easy, and you take a problem in such way like mathematical and daily your life problems. And Subramanyam Bharati is talk about in this poem. This is the main topic and main motto.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Rituraj Singh from standard 9. So today we are going to talk about the story which is named as The Lost Child. In this story, there is a boy who went to the fair with his parents. एक मिनट सर, क्या बोले सर, क्या बोला सर आपने?
So story and the name of the author is Mulk Rajanand. In this story, there is a boy who went to fair with his parents. In fair, he एक समरी तैयार करना पड़ता है. कट कीजिएगा.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Pratish Kumar Yadav, standard in class 9th. Today I am said to about wind. Wind is a poem written by Subramaniam Bharati. In this poem, the author was used the word wind to indicate the problem and obstacles of our life. The author was said that the wind has a small and big houses, destroy the small and big houses in such ways any problem of our life destroy the men who are mentally strong. So, हो गया sir.
Good morning to all of you. I am Amit Kumar for standard 9. I am here talking about the wind. Wind is a poem which is written by Subramaniam Bharati. And this poem, the author has told huge words, problem and substance. Thank you.